Alright, so today I'm gonna be cleaning my my Bryant air conditioner today. This is gonna be a better version of it because I have this hose. That's not a good one to have it on. Maybe center could be something. Honestly, there could be a kink somewhere, so or it's probably not on full power. Let's see. Yeah, I think now it's on jet. Jet will get it pretty good, but yeah. I have a new nozzle, so that helps. I'm gonna get any electrical cords out of the way. So yeah, it is a little bit later. It's May 24th. This is actually the I'm uploading this today. Yeah, this video is gonna be going up today. This is actually the day I'm uploading. This is the exact same date as last year that I uploaded last year's cleaning, or it's actually not even really cleaning, rinsing. Probably sometime this summer I might actually do like a legitimate, like, thorough cleaning of this thing, like taking the entire grill off and like cleaning around inside using soap and stuff. It'll take a while, obviously, but it'll get it clean. Anyways, I turned the unit off inside with a thermostat. There's been a whole lot of vines over here recently, so that's alright. Yeah, so yeah, there's a lot of wires here. This is what the disconnect looks like in here. I'll just pull this guy out. This thing does not get... Oh god. Glowing bug. So this is the disconnect. I'm gonna set this somewhere where it's not gonna get wet. I guess here. Here's fine. So yeah, I just unplugged it. It's off. Yeah. Plug it back in once it's just make sure stuff didn't get in there. So yeah. Oh, one thing real quick. Breaker. So, alright, yep. Let's get started. Yeah. I can hold my camera in my hand now since I have this thing. So yeah. So let's change it to let's get it wet first. Kind of oh man, there's webs in this thing. Just kind of getting the coils wet. There's a reflection over there. Back there. Back here too. I'll need it. Getting it wet. Alright, I'm gonna cone it. I have it on cone right now, so that might need to be done with something else. Back here. This will get a good blend. Shooting water from underneath. All this stuff. Oh my god. Oh god. That's some significant dirt on there. I just gonna get some cleaning over here. Let's see what other stuff we could use. Center. This could be good for like getting like stuff on here. Center. No. This is for just kind of making sure. This is good, just kind of getting a this will get more of the back, or the back side that I can't really get to easily. So flat. That's how flat is. This will help get like a good majority of it. This helps. I think this side is particularly dirty. I'm not exactly sure why that side gets particularly dirty, but that's nothing special. Shower. It's not gonna crap. Jet. Jet could probably do a good bit. That's probably gonna make this thing look better. This is to get more of a clean down through there. So I'm gonna give it a general shower, just like it's raining on it. There. That should be good. Mist. This is actually watch down the compressor inside there. It's very misty, so it's hard to see. Wait for the blaze system. And of course, you know, lifting it up actually might help. Look in there. I don't know, maybe. I actually tried to, yeah, anyways. I put the hose underneath it as well. That's okay, yeah. Spin it around. Angle isn't really much different. Right there. It's much different, better. Yeah. To wash out your skull. Pushing stuff through. That side makes it particularly real nice. And the third end here, I'm gonna try getting it from underneath as well. Shoot, and from the bottom, if I can even get the hose around. So like through the bottom, go into kind of rinse around there, different holes. So it's bubbling. Kind of get around the bottom of the pad as well. Also I'm going to try to get underneath the thing, since it's not generally easy. Let's see if I'm... I may skipped this part. This part is just me making sure that I'm getting anything underneath the air conditioner that may be in that area. Let's see if that's getting anything. Probably not. It's just so there is something. I need places for it to drain. It doesn't drain that easily, so so I need to free up those ways. Let's take a look. Okay, so it is starting to drain a little bit more now that I cleared out some of the ways that might help it in the future. Yeah, you probably saw my really long hair. I'm gonna cut that on Memorial Day. So I can actually kind of see a little bit of water movement from there. There is stuff though, kind of being like pushed around there. Yeah, so this summer, that's the main reason why I'm doing this, so I can get... Let's see if there's anything. Okay, there's stuff on the other side blocking it. Okay, looks like for the most part it's draining freely. Although right there it's kind of it is kind of on the inside. Yeah, for the most part it's good. But for some parts it's taking a look under there. Oh, kink. Kink hose. It's going to be pushing it through the other side. There's some drainage blockage over here, I know. Okay. Yeah, this is why I want to get it cleaned out. It's either gonna drain so that way, so based on, since it's like not level in that way, it's probably gonna go towards that way. Yeah, I'm gonna actually free that up a little bit more, and then I'll do the fun spinning thing, and then I guess I'll be done. Get that all away from the... the rock is kind of blocking it, but it's kind of like same for the other side. Yeah, this is gonna have to be cleaned out with some. Alright, and then for fun, it may actually kind of be easier to spin. Jet. Just for fun. Classic thing to do. That's mainly to turn off the bird. Cone, it doesn't work that well. Center. Not too much. But the fastest I can get them to spin. Oh, kink. Alright. I think we're good. My pants are all wet now, of course. Yeah. That was the air conditioner's annual spring cleaning. This is the last spring rinse that you're gonna see of this thing, because we're possibly moving out at the end of this year. So, yeah, this is the last time you're gonna see this thing get cleaned. Well, actually, no. The real last time you're gonna see this thing get cleaned is probably in July, when I actually, like, lift up the thing and clean around inside there and use soap and everything. And then it'll really sound good. And by the way, for balancing, speaking of which, I put this thing, that rock, and that rock there to help balance it. Forward, it's not quite balanced, but like this, it's kind of balanced, and it's kind of stopped buzzing. So, yeah. Yeah, just cleaned it. And mosquitoes are back. Great. So, yeah. I'm going to put the disconnect back in, and we'll turn it back on. The train's running right now. The York is not running this time while I'm spring cleaning because it's broken. So, yeah. I'm not sure if that's wet or it's just oily, but Yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna plug it in. Yeah. It doesn't look too wet, so yeah, here it goes. And yep. Or, wait, I put it in the wrong. I put it in upside down. There we go. This is a weird disconnect sometimes. It can be weird. Now that this place is soaking wet, I'm going to flip the breaker again. So, see you guys. So yeah, let's get this thing started back up. So yeah. So yeah, let's get this thing turned back on. So yeah. Let's fire this thing back up. Drive here. It's pretty fast. So yeah. Alright, so that was this thing is cleaning. So yeah, like I said, later in July, I'll give it a full cleaning. I was able to stop its buzzing by balancing it out, so we're good. But yeah, here it is running. New, refurbished. Compressor. Scroll. Mars fan motor. 2012 2.5 ton. We're cold and sweaty. That's a lot better airflow. Wow. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.